Welcome back to The Art of Modern Tech, the podcast where we break down the latest AI tools and tech into simple, actionable steps you can use today. I'm your host, Jennifer, and with me, as always, is my co host, Anita. Before we dive in, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep this content coming every Monday at 8 p.m.
Hey everyone. Today we are talking about something that used to sound impossible for most people: building your own professional website and then setting up an AI agent to run it for you automatically. No tech degree, no developer, no huge budget required.
That's right. Today we are covering two big things: how to build your website using an AI tool called Lovable, and how to set up an AI agent to automate your site so it practically runs itself. All in plain language, no tech degree required.
So let's start with Lovable. Lovable.dev is an AI-powered, no-code website and app builder. You do not need to know how to code. You don't need to know HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. You just type what you want in plain English, and Lovable builds it for you in real time.
Think of it like texting a really talented developer. You say, "Build me a clean, modern website for my small business that sells handmade candles." And within minutes, you have a fully functional, beautiful site.
And it's not just a pretty template. Lovable generates real, working code, a full React application that you can actually own, edit, and deploy to your own custom domain.
Lovable uses a three-phase process that makes the whole thing feel almost effortless. Phase one is called chat mode. This is where you plan your site. You describe what you want, your goals, your audience, and the AI helps you map it all out before anything gets built.
Phase 2 is agent mode. This is where the magic happens. The AI takes your plan and autonomously builds the entire site. It creates the front-end design, sets up the back-end database, adds user login and sign-up functionality, and even connects payment processing through Stripe if you need it.
And phase three is visual edits. Once the site is built, you can click on any element and change it directly, just like you would in Canva or Figma. Don't like the font? Click it and change it. Want to move a button? Drag it. No prompts, no code.
And the whole thing from idea to live website can be done in an afternoon. We have seen people go from zero to a fully deployed site in under 2 hours.
Let me give you a real world example so this really clicks. Say you are a busy mom who makes custom birthday cakes. You want a website where people can browse your gallery, fill out an order form, and pay a deposit online.
With Lovable, you go to lovable.dev. Type something like, "Build me a website for a custom cake business. I need a photo gallery, an order form, and a Stripe payment option." The AI builds it. You swap in your own photos using the visual editor, connect your Stripe account, and you are live.
No developer, no monthly agency fee, no waiting weeks for someone to build it. Just you, your idea, and an AI that does the heavy lifting.
Okay, so now you have your website, but here's the question everyone asks next. How do I manage it? I don't have time to answer every email, update my inventory, and respond to every customer inquiry.
That is exactly where AI agents come in. And this is the part of today's episode that we are most excited about, because this is what separates people who have a website from people who have a business that runs itself.
An AI agent is essentially a digital employee that you set up once, and it works around the clock. It can read incoming emails, decide what they are about, and draft a reply. It can monitor your order form and send a confirmation message the moment someone submits it. It can even update your product availability automatically.
The tools we recommend for building these agents, especially if you are a beginner, are N8N, Make, and Zapier. All three have free plans to get started, and they use a visual drag and drop interface so you do not need to write any code.
Let's walk through 5 specific things an AI agent can actually do for your website, because once you hear these, you are going to want to set one up today.
Number 1, auto reply to customer inquiries. Every time someone fills out your contact form, your AI agent reads the message, categorizes it: is it a sales question, a support issue, or a general inquiry, and sends a personalized reply automatically within seconds.
Number 2, order confirmations and follow-ups. The moment someone places an order or pays a deposit on your site, the agent sends a confirmation email, adds the order to a Google Sheet or Notion database, and even schedules a follow-up reminder 3 days later.
Number 3, 24/7 customer chat. You can embed a no-code AI chatbot directly on your website. It answers common questions, helps customers find what they need, and only escalates to you when something truly needs a human touch.
Number 4, social media posting. Your agent can take your new blog post or product update and automatically create and schedule a post to Instagram, Facebook, and even TikTok, all without you lifting a finger.
And number 5, appointment booking. If you offer services, the agent can connect your website's booking form directly to your Google Calendar. When someone books a slot, it confirms with them, blocks your calendar, and sends a reminder the day before. Completely automated.
So how do you actually get started? Here's our recommended beginner path. Step 1. Build your site with Lovable. Step 2. Sign up for a free N8N or Zapier account. Step 3. Pick just one task to automate first. We always recommend starting with the contact form auto reply because it is simple, fast to set up, and immediately saves you time.
In N8N, you would create what is called a workflow. You set a trigger when a new form submission arrives from my website, and then you add an action, send this email. You can add an AI step in the middle that reads the message and customizes the reply. The whole setup takes about 20 minutes the first time.
And once it is running, it just runs. You do not have to touch it again. That is the beauty of automation. You invest 20 minutes once and get hours back every single week.
Let's do a quick recap of all the tools we mentioned today. Lovable.dev to build your website, Supabase for your database and user login, Stripe for payments, N8N, Zapier or Make for AI workflow automation, and the OpenAI API as the AI brain for your agent. All of these tools have free tiers to get you started.
You can literally build and launch your first AI-powered automated website for $0. The only investment is your time, and with Lovable doing the building and your AI agent doing the running, even that investment is smaller than you think.
That is a wrap on today's episode of The Art of Modern Tech. If this episode helped you, please share it with someone who has been putting off building their website. You might just change their life.
And make sure you tune in next Monday at 8 p.m. for our next episode, where we will be showing you how to automate your entire social media content calendar using AI, so your brand stays active and consistent even when life gets busy.
Until then, keep exploring, keep building, and remember, the future of tech is not just for developers, it is for all of us. See you next Monday.